Welcome to the Travel Man channel. This is Eilean Donan Castle, one of Scotland's most iconic and photographed castles. Built on a rocky tidal island, it's connected to the mainland by a stone bridge, giving it a dramatic feel the moment you arrive. To reach Eilean Donan, you usually drive along the A87, coming either from Inverness in the east or Fort William in the south. The castle's car park sits just beside the visitor centre, a short walk from the bridge. During opening hours, there's pay and display parking that costs around £3 for 2 hours. Be aware, in summer, the car park fills up fast, so try to plan your arrival in the early morning or late afternoon. When you're ready to explore, tickets are bought on site at the visitor centre. It's not possible to book ahead online. As of now, admission is £12 for adults, £6 for children 5 to 15, and under 5 go free. There are also family tickets. Inside, you can walk through restored rooms, the banqueting hall, the living quarters, and climb up for views from the battlements. If you plan to visit, the best time is between late spring and early autumn, when the days are longer and the weather is milder. That said, early morning or later in the afternoon is ideal, not just to avoid the crowds, but to catch the light. At sunrise or near sunset, the castle and the surrounding loch look magical with soft golden tones. Don't forget to stop by the visitor centre. There's a cozy cafe serving homemade treats and a gift shop with Highland-inspired souvenirs. From there, stepping out onto the bridge into the castle grounds feels like stepping into a different era. Stone walls, narrow staircases, and views of the lochs all around. Eilean Donan Castle isn't just a castle. It's a symbol of Scotland, its history, its rugged beauty, and its timeless appeal. As we wrap up our visit to Eilean Donan Castle, I just want to say thank you for joining me on this journey through one of Scotland's most iconic landmarks. From the peaceful locks to the stone bridge and the historic walls, this place always leaves a lasting impression. If you enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Travel Man for more beautiful locations, scenic drives, and hidden gems from around the world. Until the next adventure, keep exploring and stay curious.